Rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. In 1453, the city of Dash was conquered by Ottoman Turks. Venice, Constantinople, Rome, Paris. Constantinople. The Industrial Revolution began in Dash. England, France, Italy, Portugal. England. Dash tried to put restrictions on the illegal trade of British. Sirajud-Dowlah, Mir Qasim, Mir Jafar, Shah Alam, Mir Qasim. Explain the following concepts. Colonialism. Colonialism means one country exploiting another country by making it into a colony. A powerful country, on the basis of economic and military strength, occupies another region and establishes its political supremacy. This is known as colonialism. This tendency of colonialism led to rise of imperialism among the Europeans. Imperialism. Imperialism means a system in which a powerful country controls other countries by establishing its overall domination and establishing many colonies. Many countries from Asian and African continent fell prey to this imperialist aspiration of the European nations. Age of Renaissance. In history of Europe, the last phase of medieval period, that is 13th to 16th century, is known as the period of Renaissance. During this period, Reformation, religious reform movement and geographical discoveries laid the foundation of the modern era. Hence, this period is also known as the Age of Renaissance. Capitalism. Many traders came forward to trade with eastern countries through the sea route. It was not easy to carry out trade single-handedly, and hence many traders came together and started trade. Thus, there was rise of many trading companies. Trade with Oriental countries was very profitable and responsible for economic prosperity. Hence, European rulers started giving military protection and trade concessions to these trading companies. This led to accumulation of wealth in Europe. This property was used in the form of capital for trade and commerce, which led to rise of capitalist economic system in Europe. Explain the following statements with reasons. Sirajud-Dowlah was defeated in the Battle of Plassey. East India Company officers misused the trade concessions obtained from Mughal Emperor in Bengal province. The English built fortification around the factory at Kolkata without the permission of the Nawab. Hence, Sirajud-Dowlah captured the factory at Kolkata. This created discontent in England. Robert Clive diplomatically bribed Mir Jafar, the commander-in-chief of the Nawab's army, and also promised to make him the Nawab of Bengal. Nawab Sirajud-Dowlah and the British troops met at Plassey in 1757 AD. Thus, Sirajud-Dowlah was defeated in the Battle of Plassey. The European countries felt the necessity of finding new trade routes to Asia. In 1453 AD, the Ottoman Turks conquered Constantinople, Istanbul, which was the capital of Byzantine Empire. The overland trade routes joining Asia and Europe went through this city. Since the Turks blocked this route, there was a need of finding alternative trade routes for the European countries to reach Asia. Therefore, the European countries felt the necessity of finding new trade routes to Asia. European rulers started giving military protection and trade concessions to the trading companies. With the discovery of new sea routes, began a new era of trade between Europe and Asia. Many traders came forward to trade with eastern countries through the sea route. It was not easy to carry out trade single-handedly, and hence many traders came together and started trade. Thus, there was rise of many trading companies. Trade with Oriental countries was very profitable and responsible for economic prosperity. Hence, European rulers started giving military protection and trade concessions to these trading companies. Complete the following table. Sailor Bartholomew Dias contribution reached the tip of the African continent, now known as the Cape of Good Hope. Sailor Christopher Columbus contribution set on his journey to reach India but reached on the eastern coast of American continent. Sailor Vasco da Gama contribution sailed past the Cape of Good Hope and reached the west coast of India at Calicut port.